Hello, this is the new 2024 Dodge Hornet RT plug-in hybrid. I want to show you the key fob you're getting with this Hornet. You're going to get your trunk opener and your remote start, okay? Come take a look. You have keyless remote entry on the door. I want to show you the back here. The beautiful suede stitching on the inside and the Alcantara seats with that leather on the side. It's a real comfy feel if you have a small family that's looking for the next plug-in hybrid. Let me show you the back here. If I open this up, this will slowly rise, and in it you have your Type 1 charger. This is going to come with the vehicle, and if you underneath, you also have tons of extra cargo space and a tire repair kit. So close this down, and I'll show you. Take a look at the room you have in there when you're sitting in the front seat of the 2024 Hornet. So in this 2024 Hornet, you're going to have adaptive cruise control and lane centering to keep you between the lines. You also have your e-drive modes. So when you get in here, you can switch if you want to be in gasoline or full electric, and you're going to have 50 kilometers of electric range. Or you'll get great gas mileage on this 1.3 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. You also have satellite radio with Sirius XM on this large touchscreen as well. And you're going to have dual zone climate control on each side, so you can keep it warm on this side or cold on the other. You also have USB Type-C and regular USB Type-A ports as well. This has got everything you need at the touch of a button. If you want to take another look at this 2024 Dodge Hornet in person, definitely give me a call at 613-328-4958. We're pricing these things at around $48,500. We have tons of money off this. You don't want to miss this great deal. Give me a call.